Welcome back to DOCONCHAIN. After successfully managing the recipient, we can now proceed with adding marks. To select the page where you want to work on, you can click on the thumbnail or scroll down on your document. To add a mark, you must first highlight the name of the recipient or designer. You may also select the page marks placement if you want it on all pages, on the current page, or on a specific page number. Here we have four different marks which you can assign to your recipients. First is the signature box, which often appears at the middle of the document but can be replaced and repositioned according to your preference. We also have the initials, which appears at the lower left part of the document. You may also reposition or resize the initial as to your liking. Next is the date, and lastly, we have the text box. This is for any additional information that you may want to add on your document. To edit the marks, you may click on the Edit button. Once done, you may click on the check button to indicate that you are done with editing. You may also do the same with all the recipients that you have on your document. That's all for adding the marks. See you on the next video for the settings and other instructions. Thank you.